Now we discuss a code for 3D plotting. The code for the 3D plotting is x is equal to inside the bracket, just like you'll write 1 with space 2, and y is equal to inside the square brackets you will write 2 and 3 with a space. Okay, and inside the square bracket z is equal to 1 and 3, you will write plot 3 inside the parenthesis, you will write x comma y comma z at the end of each semicolon. Means at the end of x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to plot 3 into x comma y comma z, you will write that at the end semicolon. So x label inside the double quotation mark, you will write x inside the parenthesis. Y label inside the parenthesis, you will write y with the double quotation mark, and z label inside the parenthesis, you will write z with the double quotation mark, and you will write grade on. And when you will write grade on, and after clicking on the enter button, pressing the enter button, you will find the graph of 3D plotting. Okay, so let me discuss this code in MATLAB, how this code work in MATLAB. Okay, so we will write x is equal to 1 with space 2 and semicolon. Yes, now we'll write y is equal to it is 2 and 3, there should be space between 2 and 3, and at the end you will write semicolon. Z is equal to inside the square bracket, you will write 1 and 3. Yes, and this is semicolon. Okay, now we will write plot, and inside the plot 3 inside the parenthesis, we will write x comma y comma z. Yes, and here we will insert the semicolon, and then we will, yes, press the enter button. We'll get just like as, but it is not a complete 3D, so we'll write the x label with the x in double quotation marks inside the parenthesis, y label, and inside the parenthesis with the double quotation mark you will write y, and inside the parenthesis z label you will write the z between the double quotation mark, and then press the, now yes, here we will write grade on. Press the enter button, and this is your 3D plotting. Okay, with x, y and z. Okay, so yes, now we are taking just like x is equal to 1 2 3. Okay, with semicolon, and y is equal to 2 3 4 inside the square bracket, and z is also equal to what is 1 3 5 inside the square brackets. Plot 3 into x comma y comma z. Yes, x comma y comma z, and insert the enter button, but this will be not a complete 3D graph. Okay, and you will add x label, x inside the double quotation mark, and y label, y inside the double quotation mark, z label, z with the double quotation mark inside the parenthesis. Now grade on. Yes, grade on, and insert the enter button. Here you will find the 3D plotting. So this is a 3D plotting with x, y and z, and press this button. Then after pressing this button you can move this 3D plotting just like, okay, so here the cursor of your mouse will move, it will just like move. Okay, so you can move it, and you can check it all its faces, all its sides. Okay, so this is, yes, this is the way to check its physical representation, physical appearance of this plotting.